We're there with family today, Tifa, Tifa, what go on?
Perfect.
There, yeah, man. Alright, tell us a little bit about that freedom because we haven't really been seen as much as Tifa as we usually do.
If you follow me on Instagram, you will see. I mean, I'm bi-coastal now, so I'm between here and New York City. My court case is finished. I had a big court case in the Supreme Court for the last 5 years, so that's finished. So we're free up for do what I want to do, for spend what I want to spend, to shoot whatever video I want to shoot, to just do my thing and live my life.
You know, you just tell about court case and move on. So
I mean, it involves music and
case.
past alleged management, you know what I mean? So we're good. That's behind us. We have new management now, new team, new label, and yeah, it's gonna be an awesome year.
Good, that's good to know. And then we see that the big album, the much anticipated album finally dropped.
It's called Corgos and Champagne.
Explain for those who don't know about me.
Alright, Corgos and Champagne. So Corgos and Champagne was the last meal I had for 2017. I had not eaten all day and I eat Corgos and Champagne before I host a big event at a hotel. The next morning, I'm assuming it's a champagne because the Corgos was awesome. The next morning, my belly caught me. And everybody I said, wait, you know, come breakfast, And I'm like, yo, dog, Corgos and Champagne, Corgos and Champagne.